Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. So today's tutorial is how I shape and fill my eyebrows. I do shape my eyebrows at home, which saved me a lot of money. So if you are keen to see how I shape and fill my eyebrows, please keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to need is a tweezer, obviously, and then you're going to need a spoolie or even a brush like the one I'm using. So the first thing that you are going to do, or what I'm doing, I just comb my eyebrows upwards just so it can be clear where I need to tweeze. This is really important because if the brow hairs is not upwards, you're not gonna see what brow hairs needs to be tweezed out. So I just comb the brows upwards and then I begin to tweeze, starting with the tail of the brow and then moving my way to the beginning of my brow. As you can see, if you didn't do this in a while, or if you didn't or haven't tried this at all, it's gonna hurt. It is gonna hurt, guys, to be quite honest with you. So what you want to do, in your eyes is gonna water, your eyes is gonna get teary, so just prepare for that. But if you are used to this, like as you can see over there, I didn't do my eyebrows in a while, so it is a bit painful. But if you are doing this on a regular basis, then you would get kind of used to the feeling. But if you haven't done your eyebrows in maybe 2 months, then you're going to feel a little bit of pain. But now I'm just tweezing my eyebrows, and what I do at the moment, I do not like my eyebrows too thin. I just like my eyebrows to be, or to look like it has kind of a shape. But you guys are going to see when I'm done, you guys are going to see the before and after. So I don't tweeze at the top of the brow most of the time, because I want my eyebrow to be a little bit higher, if that makes sense. So I just tweeze the bottom of my eyebrows. So then I just tweeze, and then comb the brows upwards, tweeze, comb the brows upwards, and that is what I basically do. As you guys can see, that is how the brow look when I am done tweezing it. So now I'm going to comb the brows downwards, and then I'm going to tweeze a little bit more at the tail, just at the tail, but the top part of the eyebrow, just to make it a little bit more sharp, a little bit more clean. And also I'm just tweezing a little bit on the top, but not too much, because I want my brow to be a little bit higher. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't tweeze a lot on the top of my brow. So that is how my brow looks now. This actually takes me about 5 minutes to do. So now I just tweeze a little bit under the brow, but more at the beginning of where the brow starts. I tweeze there a little bit, and then I just see where there's hairs, they're a little bit out of place, and then I tweeze in the middle. So in the middle of my brow, I do have a little bit of hair there, but obviously I'm not gonna tweeze all. I wouldn't be able to tweeze all of the hair out in the middle of the two brows, because if you want all of the hairs out, you can actually just take a blade or whatever that is sharp to just shave that off. So now I'm going to begin with the filling in, and this is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, guys. This brow kit has been through the worst. I think I have this brow kit now for 2 years, But now I just start to fill in my brows, and I just draw a line under my brow just to like get the shape of the brow, or the shape that I am going for, the shape that I am going for. And then I'm also going to draw a line at the top. But now I'm just starting to fill in the brow. So there's the line for the tail of the brow. I'm just getting that shape right, guys, because that is really important if you want a clean brow. But guys, just to be clear, that this brow is a brow that I normally do for a full face of makeup. Obviously, when I do not wear makeup, or when I wear not so much makeup, I do a brow that is a little bit more natural. So this is a brow that I would do if I'm going to wear a full face of makeup, just to balance everything out. So now I'm just filling in everything. I just fill in the brow until I get the desired shape and desired color. I don't want it too dark, but I also don't want it too light. Okay, so now in the beginning of the brow, as you can see, I just filled in there. And you always need to go into your brush, because the brush is actually the tool that's going to make your brow look as natural as it can be, because the brow is almost like your blending brush. The brow is going to make sure that the product is nicely blended in with your brows. I hope that makes sense. But now I just go under the brow again and just like shape out the brow. This brow, if I'm not explaining it, or if I'm not doing it as slow as I'm doing now, this brow actually takes me 5 minutes to do each side if I want a well crafted brow. But guys, remember, this is a brow that I do if I wear a full face of makeup. I don't do this brow if I'm just laying around and just wearing a moisturizer, for example. Okay guys, so now at the beginning, as you can see how I hold my brush, I just hold my brush like that, and then I fill in front of my brow like that. And then obviously you need to go into your brush again to make sure that that product is blended into your brow hairs, guys. That's very important. And what I do, I always just take my finger. If I think it looks a little bit unnatural, I take my finger and just blend it even more, because then it looks a little bit more natural. Remember, the brow, you want your brow to be very light in the beginning of the brow, where the brow starts, and the tail can be a little bit darker. At the moment, guys, to be quite honest, I like a not so thin brow, but also not too thick. And even when I do my face and I completed my makeup, and then maybe if I see that the brow is a little bit too thin for the makeup look, I go in and just like fix it. But as you can see, that's how I make sure my brows is perfect. Now I'm just gonna conceal. This is very important if you want your brows to look clean. So now I just take a concealer and I just apply that right under my brows. It's gonna help your brow to look as clean as it can look. This is a crucial step, guys, if you want your brow to look clean. For a while I didn't do this, but when you do this, guys, your brows is gonna look fabulous. So I just want to show you guys how it actually look with makeup on. So this is the vibes, this is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the thumbs up button down below, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading more videos. And yes guys, that is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you guys in my next one. Bye.